you are strong. She is stronger than you are. Adverb clause expresses comparison with stronger. Although he is not rich. Although he is not rich, he is very generous. Adverb clause expresses contrast with he is generous. Who works hard? The student who works hard will succeed. Adjective clause modifies student. That we shall win. We are confident that we shall win the competition. Noun clause object of are confident. When I shall return. I don't know when I shall return. Noun clause object of no. If I had not helped you, you wouldn't have finished on time. If I had not helped you. Adverb clause expresses condition for wouldn't have finished. Although they fought most valiantly. Although they fought most valiantly, they were defeated in the end. Adverb clause expresses contrast with they were defeated. When the cat is away. When the cat is away, the mice will play. Adverb clause modifies will play by explaining when. Why it is hot. You should eat the soup while it is hot. Adverb clause modifies eat by explaining when. Who help themselves. Fortune favors those who help themselves. Adjective clause modifies those. While the sun shines, make hay. While the sun shines. Adverb clause modifies make hay by explaining when. Till you are out of the wood. Keep calm. Till you are out of the wood. Adverb clause modifies keep calm by explaining until when. That wears a crown. Uneasy lies the head. That wears a crown. Adjective clause modifies head. Who live in glass houses. People who live in glass houses shouldn't throw stones. Adjective clause modifies people. Where ignorance is bliss. Where ignorance is bliss, it's folly to be wise. adverb clause modifies its folly by explaining where. That blows nobody good. It's an ill wind that blows nobody good. Adjective clause modifies wind. No sooner did he see me. No sooner did he see me than he ran away. Adverb clause modifies ran by explaining when. As dreams are made on. We are such stuff as dreams are made on. Adjective clause modifies stuff that has no turning. It's a long road that has no turning. Adjective clause modifies road where angels fear to tread. Fools rush in where angels fear to tread. Adverb clause modifies rush in by explaining where. That we may live. We work hard so that we may live comfortably. Adverb clause expresses purpose for work hard. तो ये थी आपकी एक्सरसाइज। जितने भी एक्सरसाइजेस हैं इसके अंदर जो आपको सेंटेंसेस दिए थे उसमें जो क्लॉज हैं, जैसे कि नाउन क्लॉज जो है आपका वो एक्ट कर रहा है सब्जेक्ट की तरह या ऑब्जेक्ट की तरह। एडवर्ब क्लॉज जो है वो मॉडिफाई कर रहा है वर्ब को, एक्सप्लेन करके टाइम, रीजन, कंडीशन, मैनर और इसी तरीके से बहुत सारे। और फाइनली आपका जो एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज है वो मॉडिफाई कर रहा है नाउन्स को। आपको ये एक्सरसाइज अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए आसा एजुकेशन। मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज।